So before I show you anything, I am just going to show you a magic. Let's say I am going to generate two thumbnails in few seconds. I have entered the details of both the thumbnails over here, and within seconds and in real time both the thumbnails will be generated. First thumbnail is AI agent in 10 minutes and the another thumbnail is of a video which says AI write product descriptions. So both the thumbnails will be generated within seconds, and till then what I am going to do, I am just going to sit back and relax and both the thumbnails are generated. So as you can see, this is AI agent in 10 minutes and this is the next thumbnail which is AI writes product descriptions. So yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation. So today I am going to show you how you can start automating your task using the power of AI. In this example, we'll build a simple automation that uses AI to generate the content automatically. It could be a text, image or ideas or other creative outputs depending on your use case. The workflow is very simple, just 3 steps, but once you understand the process, you will be able to build many different AI powered automations like these. So let's get started. The first thing is we need Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for that you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is a no-code automation platform that allows you to connect different applications and automate workflows without writing any code. So if you already have an account, then you can click on this sign in, but if you don't have an account, you can click on this sign up for free and create one account for free and try this amazing automation for free today. You can use your Google account or email address to sign up. Once you sign up and try Pabbly Connect, and if you like Pabbly Connect and want to purchase the subscription plan for the same, we have a special discount coupon code which is RITYT, which is attached right over here. You can check it out. But first try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so as you can see, you have to open your workflow builder. If you are an existing user like me, if you are a new user, just sign in, open the dashboard, then come on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now what you have to do, you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. So let's select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. Now our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect and we have received this webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Then go on this extensions, add-ons and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to search for an extension which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and this is going to appear. So make sure to install this extension. I have already installed this extension. After you install this extension, you just have to refresh your spreadsheet. Otherwise, you will not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Alright, so first let's just create all the thumbnails which we have generated right over here because we're going to start from scratch. So let's go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Once we're on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is C, but for you, it will be anything else too. true. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. Okay, so you have to enter the trigger column according to your own choice. After you enter the webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit. After you click on this submit, it is going to say setup configured successfully. So this means that you have connected your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to go back towards your spreadsheet and click on this send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully, and it is sent this first row towards my workflow. So let's open our workflow, and you're going to see that yes, these details are sent right over here. Now we're going to use Gemini in order to generate the thumbnail for the same. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini. Now for the event, if you want to generate some content like text, you want to generate articles, SEO titles, then you can use generate content. But if you want to generate images, you have to select the event as generate and edit images nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, you have to open your Google AI Studio. After you open your Google AI Studio, from the left end of the side, you have to go towards this get API key section and then click on this create API key. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. After you click on this create key button, your key will be created. So you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this key, click on this save, and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the model. Alright, so for the model, select it as nano banana. I am going to select it as nano banana 2. Now for the method, I'm going to keep it as generate content only, and then for the prompt, I am going to use this prompt which I've entered in my previous workflow. So let's just copy and paste the prompt over here. But in this prompt, what I am going to do is I am going to simply enter some details like the video title, description and the hook using which it is going to generate me the thumbnail. Alright, so over here is a hack that we are not going to enter these details manually, but instead we are going to map these three details. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. After mapping all of these details, let's move on further. If you also want this prompt, I am going to attach the workflow URL in the description box below. You can copy and paste my prompt. Okay, now it is saying uploaded file URL and image URL, so this is not required because we are not editing the image. Now click on the save and send test request, and it is going to generate you a thumbnail using the same details which you have entered. So this is just as an example that I am generating the thumbnails. You can generate the creatives or any another images you want. Like let's say you run a digital marketing agency, so you can generate some images you can use further in designing websites or posting ads or something like that. Okay, so now we have received the response, and in this response we have received this file URL. So let's just copy and open it in a new tab, and when we're going to open it, you can see that this is the thumbnail which is generated. Okay, so now what we have to do is we just have to add it back again in our sheets. Okay, so let's just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, let's search for sheets once again, and over here you're going to see Google Sheets. So let's just select it. For the event, select it as update cell value and then click on this connect. We have recently connected our Google Sheets. Click on this select existing connection and then save. Our Google Sheets will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to select the spreadsheet. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is YouTube thumbnail generator, so I've selected the same. After this, we have to select the sheet which is sheet 1. Let's move on further. For the range, I am going to enter the range as D2 because I want to add the URL over here. Okay, but over here you have to keep in mind that right now it is D2, so let's enter it, but it will change, right? It will be D3, D4, D5 and so on, but you must notice that the D is constant, only the row is changing. So what we're going to do is we are going to keep the D as constant, which is static, and map the row. So let's put a slash, search for row index and map it. For the value, put a slash, and what you have to do is you have to map the file URL. Okay, so put a slash and simply map the file URL over here. After this, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to receive this response. So let's open our sheets, and you're going to see this thumbnail is added right over here. And now what is going to happen is whenever I am going to add the details over here, so let me show you. Let's say I'm going to enter the title, description and hook, and it is going to instantly generate generate the thumbnail for the same. So I've entered both the details. Instantly the thumbnail will be generated for both of these and added right over here. We just have to wait for few seconds. And not only generating the thumbnails, but if you want to go for images, you can generate many images, creatives and so on. If you want to go for content like generating the SEO, generating many another details like articles, blogs or something else, then you can generate the same too. As you can see right over here, we have generated both of these thumbnails. AI agent in 10 minutes, and this is the thumbnail. AI write product descriptions. So yes, with this we have successfully learned how to use AI inside Pabbly Connect, and you can try this for free today. I am just going to further show you some more automations which I've created using this concept. As you can see that this was automation I created to generate SEO friendly blog titles. Gemini was given the prompt something like this, and it generated me SEO friendly blog titles which I further added back in my sheets. So this is an example of automation which you can create with the same concept, just you have to change the event as generate content instead of generate image. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can try these AI automations for free today, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.